Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on this channel. In this tutorial video, I'm quickly going to show you how to delete your payment method on Netflix. So stick with me till the end and let's get right into it. Now basically there are two things that you can do. If you want to completely remove your payment method and you want to cancel the subscription, you can also do that. But if you want to just change up your payment method to add in a different payment method, you also have the option to do that. So we'll take a look at the second option, which is adding in a new payment method. So for this, we cannot do it within the app of Netflix. We'll need to open up our web browsers. I'm going to use Google Chrome and search for netflix.com and then just sign into your account. Now once you have been signed in, you just tap on the three lines on the top left and tap on the option which says account. From here you again scroll down and you'll see your payment method info. You just tap on this option and it's going to give you your current payment method and the card that you've added, the card or the PayPal account. Now it says here to remove, add another payment method first. So if you want to remove this current payment method, you need to just tap on add payment method and either add in your credit or debit card or your PayPal account. Once you have added that detail, you can now remove the existing detail or the payment method. That was the first thing that you can do, but if you just want to completely remove your payment method so you don't get charged next time, all you do is cancel your subscription. Again, come to this page and tap on cancel membership. And you can just tap on finish cancellation and it will also show you the date when the cancellation will happen. So those are the two things that you can do in order to delete your payment method on your Netflix account. If this video was helpful to you, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.